I'm Christie Mahaffey. I'm going to tell you about why and how I use HLP at Foundation Brewing Company. Early on, I decided this would be a key part of our quality program because it screens for Lactobacillus and Pediococcus, two of the most common beer spoilers. This is also a very approachable test, so with some training such as through the QC2 workshop coming up in December, any brewery can use this test to screen for lacto and pedio. We actually use this at several touch points in our process. I collect sterile samples from the fermenter. We check our yeast slurry, bright tanks, and also can samples. Now, all of these samples do add up to a lot of test tubes, but you can now get a test tube kit through the QC2 lab, which is super handy. It comes with several tubes of your media, along with sterile pipettes and some very clear instructions about how to run your test. My favorite part of it is that it's actually twofold. One, it saves a lot of time for preparing the media. The actual test is very quick and straightforward. Preparing the media takes a couple of safety precautions because it includes cyclohexamide, which is toxic to people, as well as yeast cells. That's why it's in there. And also, because of that, it's important to dispose of this media properly. When you use the QC2 test tube kits, you can send your used media right back to them. They dispose of it properly, and you don't have to spend any time on that. So, in conclusion, get some training for the Lacto-Pedio workshop coming up in December, and these two test tube kits, super handy.